drive around the parking lot. I see him drive around the parking lot. What's that?
It's hot. I can't even fucking hold it.
Man got his cane too. Say bro man got his cane too.
Got an elephant on it and stuff.
All he got is at an African store. I got mine from Africa. Another Eldo. Gotta say there was another Eldorado.
Oh.
Oh, Mercury. Super Sport.
Ribbies.
Corvette. Carlo. How you doing today? It's got to be interesting driving those old cars, one of those old cars. It's interesting to see so many nomads. I said it's interesting to see so many nomads. These two, and then I saw a couple more over there. So.
Station wagon. Chloe was asking me what is a station wagon.
Out there, she'll see it one of these car shows. So you can never go wrong with a Mustang. Never, ever, ever, ever. I say they'll Jimmy rig it for him to get it going.
What?
His car, if they're looking at it. Old bro man in old Delta. Continental.
Damn, that looks like a cheaper creeper car.
Is it that one? I guess it is that one. The color of it. The Chevy also. One of the guys I seen out here in Muskrat.
What?
One of the guys, he's got a Hertz And it has a plate on it that says Muskrat. I've seen him out here, but I haven't seen his car. So I'm wondering if he's in something else. I might as well start making my way. Poly poly. Thank you. Yeah, poly poly. Take it slow.
People that got the walker in the back seat.
You gotta hit the bathroom or anything?